Hey guys, it's Ben from Hilltop Packs. Today I'm going to show you how we use the spoon stash. It's an option on our bear bags on the website. The idea behind it is you put your spoon in the spoon stash and it's actually stuck to the side of your bear bag and it will always be where it's supposed to be. Instead of like at the end of the day when you go to eat dinner and you have to dig around for your spoon at the bottom of your bag someplace and it's never where you think it is. So this way it's always the same exact place every single time. So I'm actually going to show you how to install it. If you order one through our website, it's already installed. You don't have to do this, but just in case you order it separately by itself, which we're probably going to offer that pretty soon, I'm going to show you how to do that now. Plus, we actually have a customer that I forgot to install it, so I'm going to send this video to him as well and ship one of these in the mail so he can do it himself. So follow along. I'll show you how we actually install this on the bear bag. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is turn your bear bag inside out. You don't want to do it on the outside of the bear bag. It would kind of defeat the purpose, and chances are some rodent's going to come and grab it if you put it on the outside. So you want to put it on the inside. So what we already did, we already turned this bag inside out. And depending on how you have your bear bag set up, sometimes we have, you can actually order a flat bear bag, flat bottom, or just a regular bottom with no flat bottom. But you wanted to figure out where the bottom is actually going to be on the side. So if you take your bag, like this is a flat bottom bear bag. So we're going to actually figure out where the bottom is, which is right about here. And we're just going to kind of lay it flat. So we're going to kind of figure that out, get it down flat on the ground, just kind of smooth it out. And if you're going to use a bear bag that you've already used, make sure you clean it. You want the surface to be nice and clean, or this isn't going to stick very well. So make sure it's a new bear bag or you've actually cleaned it already. The spoon stash comes with some double-sided tape. We've already stuck one side already on here for you. The trick is just go ahead and peel it off. Now this stuff is very sticky. Just make sure you don't stick your fingers on it. The oils from your skin will just kill that adhesive and it won't stick wherever you touched it. And don't let it roll into itself, or you're going to have a spoon stash just stuck to itself. Okay? So find places where you can hold it. Okay, so we're going to take the spoon stash with the adhesive already peeled off and ready to go. And you want to kind of figure out where you want to put it. Again, kind of an angle, almost near the bottom, near one side. That way just kind of stick one end down, and then just kind of lightly push it to one side or the other, nice and flat, and then smooth it out. The adhesive is very tacky, it'll stick. Now you can peel this back off, but you're pretty much going to kill the adhesive. I wouldn't recommend doing that. If you had to reposition it, you may get one shot at it, but I would not recommend doing that. Now, the adhesive does have to cure, so I would let it set for at least 24 hours, maybe even 48 hours before you start using it as an actual bear bag. But the idea is when you turn it the inside out, or right side out, your spoon stash will slide right in, and that's how you hide your spoon. And that way, every time you reach into your bag, there it is. That way you don't have to search for it in the bottom of your bag. So I have them in all of my personal bags. I love it, and it solves a problem. So for me, it solves a problem. Hopefully it does for you as well. I know it's only a few extra seconds looking for your spoon, but it's just a nice little addition, and it weighs hardly nothing at all. So if you decide to pick one up and install it yourself, that's how you do it. Sit right here with me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about any other products, we can make more videos. Carter wants to say goodbye. Tell him bye.
Bye.
Bye.